The Fishtailz magazine show is back.
That was amazing.
The only show, the biggest show,
And the best show.
that you'll see the baddest motorcycles from the West Coast representing all under one roof. Come see the baddest bikes from Texas, Colorado, South Dakota, Arizona,
Wyoming.
Nevada,
Best show that yet to come out.
and many, many more states. The only place where the heavy hitters get together.
You know what it is.
Go to www.fishtailz.shop to get you registered, tickets, and vendor spaces. Once again, California's #1 show is back. Fishtailz magazine.